Engaging your viewers on YouTube is important. What is your ultimate goal for a video? If you are doing this as a way of gaining an income from it, you may wish to monetize the site by simply placing Google ad at beginning of the video. You can do this by simply signing up for a Google Analytics account and then clicking the monetization option on the video while it is in edit mode. You can create a pad file that simply contains a title, description, and link back to your video, and then submit this file to the hundreds of pad software sharing sites along the internet, each one giving you a very nice backlink. Annotations in YouTube. Research has found that having annotations pop up during the video gets the best results rather than simply having the annotation permanently stuck there for the whole length of the video. Call to action overlays. I strongly recommend you dive in and try call to action overlays as it can really help the stickiness of your video channel, keeping your viewers on your channel for longer. Headline key phrases. One trick that many overlook when getting backlinks to their own site is a link from their own blog. Remember, your blog is fully on topic and is a great place to start. People will often post their YouTube videos on their own site, but they then forget to post a link back to their own video anywhere else in their site using their headline key phrase. If you are not doing this, then you are missing out a lot of potential free traffic. Although you can use annotations as labels to provide information in your videos, I tend to find them more useful as call to action. Making your videos clickable, a very powerful and little known feature exists in YouTube known as click to action overlay. This effectively allows you to place a clickable link at the bottom of your video which viewers can click on and go to wherever you send them. You can even use the analytics feature in YouTube to decide the optimum pop-up time for these messages based on average viewing time of your video, so you grab them before they switch off. Social bookmarking. What is social bookmarking? Social bookmarking is basically the act of going out into big wide internet world and shouting to everyone that you have something you would like to share with them by bookmarking or target or tagging a site. Microworkers. www.microworkers.com is a website for views, for gaining views. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a similar website to Microworkers. Odesk is similar website to Microworkers and Amazon Mechanical Turk. Getting backlinks. Another big factor that Google uses when deciding how to rank your videos is the number, quality, and relevance of incoming links to your videos. Reposting your videos. One really powerful way of promoting your message is to repurpose or repost your video on YouTube. Repurposing is the act of releasing or re releasing the same content in a variety of formats. Best marketers realize the power of reposting or repurposing. Take Marvel for example, they will often take ideas from their projects and produce a movie from the original story. They will then adapt the premise on the original movie branch into another movies and sequels. Along the way, from each of these movies, they'll create books audiobooks, spin offs, cartoon series, toys, merchandise, etc. etc.